Go green without having to sacrifice your style or your pocketbook.
I'm Cynthia Gao for Snapglow TV. Do you want to dress to save the planet, but don't want to end up looking like a burlap sack? Well, Philly girls, here's your green style solution.
Stylish, edgy, and eco-friendly. Elise Crummy of Arcadia Boutique in the Northern Liberties area of Philadelphia tells us what to look for to soothe our fashion conscience.
It starts with the fabrics and the dyes: organic fabric, organic cotton, bamboo, recycled polyester blends, reclaimed vintage fabrics, responsible dyes, organic dyes.
Go green literally with these socially responsible James jeans with a dark organic dye wash and detailed stitching. Or this fringe cream top, also paired with James jeans. And check out eco-friendly lingerie.
So you can actually show off your bra, right? Especially if it's socially conscious.
Definitely. Makes a great statement.
Buy timeless pieces to wear season after season. A good strategy for your pocketbook and your planet.
Buying less and using less is the largest way to be eco.
So this outfit can go from day to night with this top made from soy and corn, and this high-waisted skirt made with reclaimed vintage fabrics, and a faux leather handbag.
They're vegan bags, and what that means is that they're made from all different types of materials. Some are made from a Japanese paper, some are made from recycled bottles, and people think they're leather all the time.
Or brighten your office in this yellow wrap dress made with organic fabric. Then have a drink with girlfriends and be social and responsible in this black organic cotton trench coat. For a fun night out, be oh so accountable to the environment, but not to the boys, in this organic layered dress with earrings and necklace made from reclaimed materials. Your style is so sustainable with a vegan clutch and an organic cotton sheath evening dress that evokes the color of the ocean and forest. Dressing green can be just as meaningful as it is pleasurable.